In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the ticket recall and the drawer recall buttons. After logging in, go to the manager screen. Here in the top left, we can see the ticket recall and drawer recall buttons. Let's tap on ticket recall. Here we see a list of all of our tickets in our system, and you can see the ticket number, who rang it in, the price, the date and time, and the status of the ticket. We can also narrow our search down by using these spaces over here. So we can use customer or tab name. We can look for a ticket ID number. We can search by the employee that rang it in. We can select our date range to narrow down our options and the price as well. Also, we can use the SKU of an item if we're searching for inventory or the name of the item for specific items. To check the status, here we see this ticket is open. Let's go ahead and tap on that. We can see the items rang in under the ticket number. We can see any discounts applied and any payments made. And we can also select one of these items. We can refund the ticket if it's already been paid. We can force close it. We can reopen the ticket if it's been previously closed. Or we can print the ticket here as well. To get out of here, let's hit back. Here we can also click on a closed and paid ticket. It'll say closed ticket. We have the same options along the bottom, and the payment will say the method of payment and how much. And now looking at a voided ticket, shows basically the same thing, except here it'll show void and have 0 payments on it. You can use this ticket recall to find tickets that are open. Say a manager needs to use this because they can't get on the employee's number and open the ticket there. Or you can search several months back to check what items were sold then. We can also hit the drawer recall button, and we can look at our drawers here. Now we see the drawer, we see the iPad or the device that the drawer is attached to or open on, and we can see the date that it was opened and the time. We can also see that here as well, but it'll show opened, and if it doesn't have a closed date, then the drawer is still open. So we can narrow our search down by the date as well. Let's go ahead and click on this drawer right here, and it'll give us the details of our starting cash, anything that came in or out of the drawer, and then the drawer total at the end of the night, including tip outs. And then you can see all the totals at the bottom here as well. Let me see. Here, this drawer is still open. It has 2 payments on it. And this drawer, basically the same thing, but we're going to see some tip outs here as well, or tip ins rather, to see how that affects our starting cash, our tip ins, and then our ending cash here. And then we can also hit save after we choose to make any changes. We can edit if we recount the drawer, then we can enter the correct amount of money here. Confirming this, just to show you that here we are indeed over $34.01 after the starting amount and the tip ins are calculated. And if this is correct, we can hit save. And that's that.